We're here, Smyrna, Tennessee, ITC sectionals. That's about all I got, honestly.
Hey, guess what we're gonna do today? We're here at the bowl. See these lanes? They don't stand a freaking chance, dude. We're gonna come out here, absolutely poop on them, and guess what? All these other teams are gonna go home crying.
I guess that's all I got really opening.
What's up, baby? Come on. Come on, Jordan.
That's right.
Curve.
Let's go.
Let's go!
Oh, is that dog? Here's the story. 16 games left. We're fourth right now.
We're about to get to work here. Knock all 10 down quite a bit. Pick up our spreads when we can. Keep throwing good shots. And we're going to keep pooping on them, dude.
I mean, that sounds pretty accurate. 16 games left, top 4 make the cut. And, you know, it's just go time to get it done. And I don't know who's behind me. I really don't. It's got to be Gael. It's probably Gael.
Alright. We're gonna... Can I cuss?
No.
We are gonna show them.
Thanks, dude. It's time to go, Bohn. Alright, here's the deal. There's 4 games left. We're in 4th place. Top 4. Make it out of sectionals to nationals. It's time to go do it. It's time to get it done. Rah! Yeah, what he said. That's great.
Right here, bro. Let's go, guys! Go! Hey, guys, guess what it is? It's our time! It's our time!
What an exciting weekend. What an exciting finish. I've had a little bit of time to let it sink in, and I still really don't know how to put into words what kind of just happened. 64 Baker games, we qualified 4th by 28 pins. It was an absolute team effort by the entire team, by the entire program. We stayed patient for a really long time. We were getting tapped a little bit in the beginning part of the weekend, and some of the hits weren't just going our way. We committed to our game plan, stuck to our game plan, and committed to moves as a team, and really, honestly, just worked hard together. I had no idea of really what the score was. Well, I kind of had a little bit of an idea. I knew roughly what it was going into the last game. I knew roughly what the score was, but I didn't really know what I needed going into the 10th. I felt like I needed a mark. I felt like I could have needed a strike. I wasn't really sure. I just knew that I didn't want to open. I honestly just wanted to get up there and make the best pass that I possibly could, and I felt like I did that pretty well. That was probably one of the top 5 shots that I've thrown in my bowling career, and definitely top 5 most nervous shots to throw. It's one thing when you're throwing a shot for yourself, but that was a very different experience having a whole college team behind me, as that's nothing that I've really ever experienced being in the 5-hole. Even going back to high school when we had matches like that with our high school team, Brandon was always the anchor and I was never in that spot. Being able to experience something like that with a group of guys is something really special and something that we'll never forget. But now, on ITC Nationals, Scat Savannah. But first is NAIA Nationals, and that will be next week. So yeah, that's gonna wrap up the weekend. Scat Savannah on to ITC Nationals, qualified 4th out of Smyrna. And that's gonna wrap this one up. Hit that subscribe button, like the video, and we'll see you next time. Peace.